About a year ago, I created a VS Code extension called Django. Now let me tell you what this extension does. So if you're a Django developer or you use Django to build projects, you will note that whenever you use HTML template files and you want to have external static files like JavaScript files, CSS files, or images, whenever you use that files in your HTML template, you have to manually add the static tag every single time you use those files. Now if you are building a large project, this can be a very stressful process, so that's why I built Django. Django automatically adds all the static tags for you with just one click. So all you just need to do is download the VS Code extension and then you go ahead and use it. But after I launched it, I got some reviews and I saw some reviews of some people saying that there are bugs and sometimes it doesn't work for every single link. Now I have launched an updated version that doesn't have any bug and works for every single link or every single time that you're trying to reference a static file in your Django project. I'm going to show you how this works. So all you need to do is just download the VS Code extension and then you need to navigate to that HTML file. So right here I have this HTML file opened. It is an index.html file. And what I'm just going to do is to type Command Shift P, and that is going to bring up my command palette. And I'm just going to type in Django, and that is going to suggest this. So once you click on it, as you can see, it says static tags has been added. Please drop a review. Please don't forget to drop a review, by the way. And right here, if you come into where we have style.css, you can see that automatically static tags have been added. And you can see that it also emits where we have anyone that is linking to like a CDN that is not like an actual local file, which is what we need. And where we are linking to images, it adds the static tags. And if you scroll down, once again, it doesn't add the static tag for CDN, but it adds for the files that we need. So that is how to use Django. So right now, over 2,000 Django developers use Django, and go ahead and try it and drop in the comments what you think about it. And if you also have any ideas of anything you want me to automate in the process of developing with Django, also drop that in the comments and I'll love to see that. Now, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.